Okay, so today we are going to solve problem number 3100, water bottles 2. I solved it earlier in the morning today. So we have been given two integers, num bottles and num exchange. Num bottles represent the number of full water bottles that we initially have. In one operation, you can perform one of the following: drink any number of full water exchange. So this problem statement is very confusing. So I'm not able to understand it. So definitely I'll take help of AI to help me understand this. Sometimes LeetCode gives us, why is it hanging? Yeah. Sometimes LeetCode gives us a stupid descriptions of the problem that it becomes really hard for anyone to understand. So that's where I make use of AI to understand what is actually being asked. Okay, let's see. Okay, we start with some number of full water bottles, and your goal is to drink as many bottles as possible. Two operations: drinking. You can drink any number of full water bottles, which converts them into empty bottles. Then you can trade in a specific number of empty bottles for one new bottle set. The exchange rate isn't fixed, it increases after each exchange. Your first exchange costs num exchange empty bottles to get one full bottle. After that exchange, the cost increases to num plus 1, num plus 2. So the exchange value keeps on increasing after each and every iteration. Okay, you can only do one exchange per price level. You can't stockpile empty bottles and make multiple exchanges at a cheaper rate. Okay, so I got the so I got the idea like what this question is asking us. So let's go through one of the example. So we start with 13 water bottles and the exchange rate is 6. We cannot exchange all. Say if we have 13, we cannot exchange 12 bottles. We can only exchange 6 bottles at a time. Okay, 13, then 0, 6 drunk bottles, 0 full bottle, 0 num bottles, 13 num exchange, 6 13 1 7 13. Okay, fine. Similarly, in case here we have 10 full bottles, 0 empty, 3 0. Then we finish all the 10 water bottles. We have 3 to exchange. Total bottles run 10. We exchange 3, we get 1. We subtract 3 from here, 7. Total num exchange has increased from 3 to 4. Then bottles run 10. Then we drink one more bottle. Then the exchange increases to 5 3. Okay, okay, so we are exchanging and drinking, exchanging and drinking. Okay, I got the basic idea. Now let's try to solve it. We have 10 water bottles. Okay, let's start at the initial. So I'm not expert coder, but still I'll try to solve it and see how it goes. Okay, num models is less than equal to num exchange, and we will keep on doing that loop. Then with each loop we are going to increase the num exchange one, and also we are going to decrease it by num exchange because we cannot do it. And since we are decreasing it by num exchange, and then also we have to increase the initial count by num bottles, and also we have to increase the num bottles by 1. Let's see. Wait, it's coming out. Okay, okay, fine. I made a mistake, I guess. Okay, oh, okay, I made a mistake. Then it has to 21, which is definitely the wrong answer. We have 13 and 6. It should be 13. Okay, let's try to debug this. Num bottles, we have initial as 13, then we subtract 6 from it. We have 7 bottles left. Okay, since we have 7 bottles left, we increase it by 7. No, definitely we are not going to increase it by 7. We are going to increase it by 1. Yeah, 1. Yes. Now let's see. 7. Okay. The models get increased to this. Models are 8. 15. Is that correct? 13 and 6. 15. Okay, fine. Then 10 and 3. 13. Is it coming correct? Yes, it is. Now we'll see if it is working fine or not. Okay. Perfect. It is working as expected. Okay. So just to give you a brief of the code here, we are looping till we are having num bottles are greater than the number of bottles we can exchange. We set the initial value to num bottles, and since we know that we can only exchange the number of bottles which are in the num exchange, that is the only amount of bottles we can exchange. We cannot exchange multiple of that number, so that's why we are subtracting it from num bottles, and we are increasing the initial value by 1, and also the num bottles get increased by 1 because whenever we exchange some bottles, the number of bottles keeps on increasing by 1, and later on we are increasing the exchange value also by 1, and finally we are returning the initial value. So that solves the question, and I'll end this video now. Take care. Bye bye from Average Coder.